I purchased both these 12-volt brushless drill kits for $30 on sale. Yes, $30 for the brushless drill, charger, and a battery. So I have to test them out to find out which one is the best. I'll test performance, compare specs and features, rank them, and share buying advice. Since I have it, I will use an 18-volt brush Ryobi as a baseline. At $30 for a kit, both seem like great buys, but let's see if either fall on their face or have serious flaws. The SKIL recently came for sale for $30 from Lowe's along with a reciprocating saw. So like the tool hoarder I am, I bought them. This was a one-day sale, but last I checked, the drill was still $40. I made a post trying to let people know about the $30 sale, and 2 people saw it. My initial reaction from the SKIL is that it is heavier. I saw 2 pounds on the specs before ordering, but that has to just be the tool weight. The SKIL is short at 6 inches, and yep, 2 pounds 8 ounces total with the battery. This DCK drill is available from Amazon and lists for $69 or $59, but typically has $10 to $20 off coupons available for Prime members. For the $30 sale, it has been a Prime Day deal. DCK is a professional brand from China. Other tool test channels have shown impressive performance for money from their 20-volt line, so I don't think this is just Amazon junk. DCK appears to be the same as Dongcheng and DCA. It does come with a bunch of other stuff, which I ignore. For the drill, it is longer at 7 inches, but also lighter at less than 2 pounds total with the battery. With the baseline Ryobi in kit form, it is $80, so significantly more expensive than the sale price of the other drills. It is 3 pounds 7 ounces, so significantly heavier, and 7.5 inches. Quite a bit longer and very chunky overall compared to the compact 12-volt tools. Hopefully the brushless technology can make up for the voltage and size difference. Jumping into my first torque performance test that I've used in the past, a lag bolt into a 2x4 select board with very little pre-drill to help it start straight. And at low speed, all of the drills have issues and can't complete it. To make it a bit easier, I will pre-drill all the way down. This is a 5/16 lag bolt, and standing to the side, these drills are hard to hold. So let's time the Ryobi. It drives it in 4.1 seconds. The SKIL and DCK with the same pre-drill. And the SKIL gets it done in 3.6 seconds, and the DCK doesn't quite finish, and it stops after 3.7 seconds. So comparing to the torque specs, the DCK being the lowest at 310 inch-pounds makes sense, but the SKIL is impressive with an advertised torque of 350 inch-pounds compared to the Ryobi's 515 inch-pounds. Let's drill some cabinet screws. On speed 1, the SKIL finishes first with 3.6 seconds, DCK next at 3.7 seconds, and last the Ryobi with 4.1 seconds. Moving to speed 2, the Ryobi is first with 1.1 second, SKIL just barely behind, and DCK slowest at 1.4 seconds. With that speed, control is important, so I like to check the lowest speed and do some testing with the clutch settings to get a feel for the drill. For the low speed, the DCK is the fastest, which is bad at 0.9 seconds per revolution, then 3.4 seconds per revolution for the Ryobi, and 4.8 seconds per revolution for the SKIL. So again, the SKIL is coming out on top. Driving some screws, no obvious issues. The SKIL appears to have a lower max clutch setting, so if you are screwing drywalls into pine, there might not be a high enough clutch setting to get the head flush. You can crank the clutch to drill mode and then go slow on speed 1 with a nice trigger. When using pocket holes, I'm at about an 11 with the clutch, which is fine. The DCK and Ryobi can bury the head with the clutch, giving you some flexibility. One thing I did notice on the SKIL when backing out on speed 2, it seems to struggle to back out the screws it just drove in. A few trigger pulls gets it out, but not ideal. I did some quick drill testing with a 3/8 brad point bit. The DCK is a little slower again, but it's more about the right pressure and consistent cutting. The DCK cut plenty fast enough, and going slower would help prevent tear out. But larger drill sizes could be challenging for these 12-volt tools. For the chucks, all are plastic, but the SKIL and Ryobi open up to 1/2 inch while the DCK is 3/8. The SKIL feels the smoothest, DCK second, and Ryobi is slightly rougher. These all come with reasonably fast chargers, not the very slow trickle type chargers that HyperTough sells in their kits. On the HyperTough topic, I did buy the 12 volt HyperTough kit, but it wouldn't even drive screws with the included 2 amp hour battery. So by the time you add the larger battery and a comparable fast charger, it's around $70. I also preferred the DCK's balance and lower noise operation versus that 12 volt HyperTough. All have lights. The DCK light is closer to the trigger and others near the battery. All tools seem fairly well balanced, although Ryobi is definitely heavier as mentioned. The DCK does have a thicker handle due to the batteries, but it is comfortable. The grip on the DCK and Ryobi have a similar feel. The SKIL is glossier and almost feels slick. This might be more durable in the long run, but not as nice on the hand. So which one is best? I completed the ranking and the SKIL is on top with an impressive performance and value. It performed well, beating the more expensive and heavier Ryobi, and overall a great drill. Now if you have another 18 or 20 volt tool line and we're looking for a lighter tool for 90% of your work, there is definitely a case for the lighter DCK. I have brushless Ryobis but use this DCK for most of my woodworking these days. When I bought it, I was hoping DCK would continue to release 12 volt tools on Amazon, but that's not the case. SKIL 12 volt has a limited set of other tools, although the 12 volt impact with the ring light and multiple speed settings looks quite good too. Is there any case for the brush Ryobi? Well, only if you're a sick puppy like me and really like the brush smell. It's a nostalgic work getting done smell to me. But seriously, a compact brushless Ryobi kit should be $90 and perform better. Of course, Ryobi has tons of 18 volt tools in their lineup, so that may be another reason to go that route. The SKIL drill and impact are both $40 at Lowe's when I checked. Your area may be different and prices change quickly. If the Lowe's sale ends, Amazon typically undercuts the box store prices, but can't keep up with some of the big sales. The SKIL drill and impact kit is $90 currently, and the drill is a better buy with the digital level at $70. The drill itself is pretty much the same. Another option may be the 20 volt HyperTough. I was really pleased with the impact driver. It had impressive power to weight. Consider checking out my HyperTough 20 volt impact driver test video, and I plan to share a video on the new HyperTough drill, testing that versus brushless Ryobis. The kits are $44 and the combo saves you only slightly at $82, or if you're in the market for the best compact 12 volt tools and budget isn't your thing, then Milwaukee just released a 12 volt subcompact set that you can pre-order. I don't want to encourage people buying tools they don't need, but if you were looking to buy, hopefully this helps you spend your money wisely. I will leave an Amazon link in the description. Obviously buy from the cheapest option available to you, but if it is Amazon, I do earn a small commission when you use the link, so I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing.